DB, say what up.
Oh man, hey man.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Aerocoupe cleaning the building one more time with another video. My man's DB shop. DB, say what up.
What's up, y'all? What's going on?
My man's DB, man. Extraordinaire, music extraordinaire.
Appreciate it.
All that. He hooked me up, man, on my radio. I had a little radio sitting. He put it in my glove compartment, and it sound good, man. I can't even lie, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him shout out all his info.
What's up, y'all? Darren, DB Customs. Instagram is DB Customs 55. Facebook, Darren Bosley. We do lights, sounds, mics,
grills,
4-wheelers, Tiara Grill, authorized dealer, authorized Dakota Digital dealer. Get at us, phone number 708-582-9202. Hit us up.
Yeah, man. Y'all holler at my mans, man. You good people. Just put me together. I'm gonna give y'all a couple of more clips and how it sound. But man, I'm satisfied with it, man. He did a real good job, man. And he did it quick too, real quick. He knocked it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride, man. I got my tunes going, no more regular radio, and we gonna do it like that. All right, y'all. Yo, what's good with y'all, man? Over here, my man's Jay crib with his shop, really. It's called Custom Car Audio CCA, man. I want y'all to follow my man's, man. He do real good work. He back here working. Once your sound's done, man, he got it. I'm gonna show y'all some of his work. See y'all see it. Eleanor out here. But I just wanted to show y'all some of his work, man, while I was over here hanging out. Y'all, here we go, man. That's my man Jay right here, Central Car Audio. Y'all see what's going on, man. What's your handles, bro?
Yeah, man, we back here, man. We do everything from home, everything handmade. You know what I mean? We do everything right here. All the customizing, anything with the sounds.
Yep.
We got Central Car Audio, you know what I'm saying? Check me out on J. Smith Jr. Facebook or Central Car Audio. It's a group on Facebook, or hit me up on Instagram. J Jr. 1085. That's JAYJR1085. Check out some of my work. We put together some real nice hits right here.
Yes, sir.
Right here in Chicago, in the hometown backyard, man. We do better work than some of these shops out here. Get out with us, man. Get out with us, man. Boy, coming out here, man, we're blessing the yard with that beauty over there. You know what I'm saying? With that Chevy, you know. Man.
She all right.
No,
She
man,
all right.
that's beauty. That's paint.
She all right.
Hey.
Y'all follow my mans, man. Y'all follow him, man. He doing real
man,
good work. Y'all see it. Y'all see the work out here. It's work out here. He ain't playing. It's work out here. Y'all follow my mans. I'm gonna put it down here on the bottom so y'all can check him out. Y'all come get this work done, man.